So today is the 1st of July, and I am getting ready to go to Auntie Donna events on the 13th of July. So I'm just trying to see what I'm going to wear because I didn't buy anything and I'm not spending any money to buy anything. I don't need to because I have clothes. So I'm going to look into my drawer, my closet, and see what I come up with. I just sent a lot of dress last month. Go to Jamaica. Was it June? No, in May. A lot. When I mean a lot, a lot. And I could find things in there to put together and wear, but I decided to just empty out. And I mean, a lot of them still have tags on them, but I decided to give them away because I can't take the crowd. I don't need more than maybe 6, 7 nice dress, and I'm going to repeat them because guess what? Most of these dresses that I'm going to try on, I either buy them from David Bridal or Macy. And believe me, I only wear one already. And maybe that's the one I'm going to wear. But I'm going to try these on and then just see what I do, how I do. If I don't look nice, then I will have to get something. If I don't like these dresses because I've never worn them, I wear one to my daughter's wedding, which is the blue one, and I might wear that one. But it doesn't matter because I'm not a celebrity and I can repeat my clothes whenever, and I'm not giving away these dresses. I mean, I might give away some, but that blue one, I am not. I spend a lot of money for that dress, and it's not because I spend a lot of money, but because I love it so much and I don't want to give it away. I love it. This is one of my favorite dresses I ever bought, and I keep giving away the dress. Them if I wear them one time, I just give them away, put them in barrel, and I send them away. I give them away. I always giving them away. So let's see. So now I'm going to try the first one, and then from there I'll see. So this is a yellow dress. I tried it before and it shoot up my belly too much. So I am going to make you see it fully and tell me what you think. I've never worn this dress. I have this dress maybe about 4 years, and I folded, put into drawer, and I've never worn it. So I'm gonna try maybe about 4 or 5 dresses, and you tell me. But I'm gonna decide because I might not post this video until after the event. So take a look. I have on a girdle, not like a waist trainer thing. I think this need to go, and believe me, I just ate. This is not a good time to fit up a dress because I just eat a big plate of food, and every time when me eat, I saw my belly go up in the ear because I drink a bottle of water and me eat. This is not a good time to fit this dress, but I'm gonna fit them anyways. I need to do something about this belly. I'm gonna do something about it. You see, look like I'm pregnant. I have a little 3-month-old belly right here. So yellow is my favorite color. Okay. So this is dress number 2. I got this dress from Macy. So I'm trying to see which one I'm going to wear. So this one, I got it from David Bridal. See? The tag's still on it. Yes. I don't know how long I have just in my drawer. David Bridal, I get it from. So I have one waist trainer under my dress then. And it now do my justice. It's big and above for it. So, forgive me. I'm not going to take it off, but I'm going to try only my belly little come and just eat. But you know, I don't know for me. But I just put on this to kind of bring up the taste of the dress. But yeah. Something about Amelia because everything else is good to me, but Amelia, let me look at suction all time now. It not hurt me. I feel it's so good looking at. Trust me. That one not one good in my clothes then. You understand? You understand some for exercise and thing, but it not going away. You know how much exercise for them? Every time we eat, I saw it go. When we wake up a morning time, you press down so. You need to do something about your mind. That one down. You press down so many times. You when I eat, it don't look so. Anytime I eat, I don't see. Anyway, I want to see it, right? I love this dress. I'm going to do something to this god. Oh. Take a deep breath. This is my favorite of all times. Guys, I could dress up like this every single day. I love it. Okay? So when you invite me out on a wedding, when you invite me out on elegant stuff, because I'll be dressing up nicely. I love dressing up. I mean, the dress them are not cheap, but I have a couple more dresses, but they're too big, and I have some that is too small. So I need to go to the tailor, and I need to take off some parts that don't fit in the small ones there. But we put up a few that it fit it tight, and it's because of my belly. So I'm not going to try those. Anyways, this is the last one I'm going to try right now. So this is my favorite. I worn it already, but this is very, very expensive. Okay? And I'm not going to give this dress away. I'm going to have it until I'm 90. I'm still going to wear it. So anybody don't want to see me there, can always show my line. Okay? So let's go. Something about this dress that made me feel extremely beautiful in it. Let me tell you, my bottom no big, it flat, and it tend to give me a nice little buzz. It made me feel like a woman in it, and I really love how it fits me. It's not because of how much I paid for it, but how it fits. To tell you, this is the dress I'm gonna wear. I don't care what nobody thinks or nobody says. This is my dress. Yes, this is the one that I love the most. This is the one that complements my belly. Yes, because my belly is not doing well right now. I overeat, I drink a lot, and my belly is extremely full. And this is the dress I'm gonna wear. So I'm just gonna dress it up. I'll wear this dress to my daughter's wedding. And I'm just gonna dress this up with some nice different accessories and a different ear from the one that I wear. Also, I'm gonna wear flat shoes, no heels. I'm not gonna wear nothing that I'm feeling uncomfortable. And guess what? I am taking the train. Uber is charging me $180, and to take an Uber go and an Uber come back, it's a lot of money. I'm only gonna spend $10 on the train, and it's less than an hour. So this dress will be going on a train, and I've been wrapping it like this and sit. I just went to Queens last week with my brother. Right. My niece graduation, and that trip take me over 2 hours to get there, like less than a 45-minute drive. So I'm not driving. I'm sorry. I don't like driving in New York, so I'm not driving. I can drive, but I'm not driving. I'm taking the train. So me are not stushy, okay? Just I'm gonna know. But at the same time, I'm gonna still invite me, okay? Invite me on a wedding, invite me on a this, invite me. Once we can come, we are come. Yeah. And this is the dress. This dress is beautiful. I mean, all of them is beautiful. I love this one the most. And from now on, I'm not gonna buy any dress that fit me up close. I like dress that is wide at the end, can fit me up here. But these are the kind of dress I am going to start investing when I buy my dress. No more straight fit, because we don't have Coca-Cola back to shape, and we might never ever do this then. Let me tell you something, guys. You see, wear what you're comfortable in. Wear what your shape can manage. Sometimes, because me feel like in the yellow dress me look like jackfruit, and in the red dress me look like a pear, and in the pink dress me look like Bombay mango. So breadfruit, not Bombay breadfruit. But in this, I actually look elegant because I'm a type. It now push up my belly. It now flatten down my body look flat. It now do none of that to me. It just make me look like me a smiling people. Speak the truth. I forever will speak the truth. Speak the truth. I forever will peace. I hope you like this content. Please don't forget to like and share. Bye.